Hello friends, hearty welcome to you. Let's look at this interesting problem related to proportions, which can be also a part of any competitive exams, and this is as part of ICSE 10th grade proportions chapter, but that can be an ideal candidate for any competitive exams. Okay, now let's go through the question and try to solve it. A vessel contains water and milk in the ratio 1:4. 2 liters of mixture is removed and 2 liters of water poured inside. If the ratio of water to the milk in the final mixture is 13:12, find the original quantity of water and milk in the vessel. Now what I will try to do here, when it is basically competitive exams, you have to do them fast. You have to understand very quickly like what are the things we have to note down, what is the inputs given to us. Number 1, we have been told that water and milk ratio is water is to milk is equal to 1:4. That is the first step. Second step they told me is 2 liters of mixture is removed. 2 liters of mixture removed. And the third step is 2 liters of water poured inside. 2 liters of water poured inside. So these are the three things what happen, and we have been told that the final ratio is nothing but equal to 13/12. So let's do that one by one. First, water and milk is 1:4. Obviously we have to find out the original quantity of water and milk, so we'll say x comma 4x, or we can say x and y also. X by y equal to 1/4, that is also is fine. You can say x by y equal to 1/4, or you can also say x comma 4x. 2 liters of mixture is removed. This is where we have to be very clear. When 2 liters of mixture is removed, it's not actually the milk is removed, right? It's both combination of water and milk. When 2 liters of mixture is removed, we have water and milk in a particular ratio there. So how much quantity of water is removed? That's nothing but equal to 2 into the ratio of water is 1 divided by 1 plus 4, that's equal to 5. So that is 0.4 liters of water is removed, and the milk removed is nothing but 2 minus 0.4, 1.6 liter, or you can also calculate it as 2 into 4/5, because milk ratio is 4. Out of 1:4 it is 4. So 4 by total is 1 plus 4, 5. So when we have been told that 2 liters of mixture is removed, it is actually from the water 0.44 liter of water is removed, and from the milk 1.6 liter of water is removed. Okay. Now after that 2 liters of water poured inside. So that means I have to add 2 liters of water. We will say plus 2 liters of water. Okay. Now let us do this. What we will do, we'll try to get into the ratio format, because we have been told final ratio is 13:12. So first thing is x by 4x. This is how my ratio is. When 2 liters of mixture is removed, remember numerator is water and the denominator is milk. 0.4 liter of water is removed whenever 2 liters of mixture is removed. So it becomes x minus 0.4 divided by y, or let us say 4x minus 1.6. So if 2 liters of mixture is removed, it is not 2 liters of milk is removed. It is 0.4 liters of water and 1.6 liters of milk. In the exact ratio in which it is there in the mixture, in that ratio they are removed. Okay. Now after that, the next thing is 2 liters of water poured inside. Water is there in numerator, denominator is milk. Now what happens? X minus 0.4, then 2 liters of water is added, only water. So we'll just keep it as plus 2 here, and in the denominator no change there because we are not touching milk. So it will be only 4x minus 1.6. Now this is nothing but equal to, let's go to the next step. So now we have, if you simplify, we have x plus 1.6 divided by 4x minus 1.6 equal to 13 by 12. You can straightforward now go ahead and do the cross multiplication, or you can also just apply any of the compedendo dividendo. Just let's do compedendo. If I do compedendo, what's the meaning of that? You just add, if it is a by b equal to c by d, then compedendo says a plus b by b equal to c plus d by d, because you are adding 1 on both the sides. A by b plus 1, c by d plus 1. That is compedendo. So what this becomes now? This becomes, when I do that, I will be x plus 1.6 plus 4x minus 1.6 divided by 4x minus 1.6 equal to 13 plus 12 divided by 12. So the next step will be, we will have 1.6 cancels, we will have 5x divided by 4x minus 1.6 equal to 25 by 12. Now we do cross multiplication. We will get 12 into 5x is equal to 25 into 4x minus 1.6. That's nothing but 60x equal to 100x minus 25 into 1.6 is 40. Or can I say 100x minus 60x, 40x equal to 40. That gives me x equal to 1 liter. So x is 1 liters. Obviously the other one, nothing but water, is 1 liter. Initially water is 1 liter originally. Milk is 4 times of that, we know. So the answer is 1 liter comma 4 liter. Now let's cross check this. We have been given 1 liter and 4 liter. So from 1 liter we have removed 0.4 and we have added 2 liters, and from the milk we have subtracted 1.6. If you simplify that, it will be nothing but 2.6 by 2.4, which is nothing but 13 by 12. You can check that. So we are good to go. So the point we have to understand when dealing with these problems is, when you are in hurry, when you have to finish a problem in a very quick time, there is always chance of 2 liters of mixture is removed, means immediately you just take out that from the denominator. No, it's not from the denominator. We have to understand that the mixture is having both water and milk in the ratio 1:4. So if you are taking mixture 2 liters out, that means you are taking 0.4 liters of water and 1.6 liters of milk from that. So let's summarize this. We have been told that there is water and milk in ratio 1:4. 2 liters of mixture is removed and 2 liters of water is poured inside. We have been told that the final ratio of water and milk in the mixture is 13:12. We have to find out the original quantity of water and milk in the vessel. So what we have done, we took water and milk as x and 4x. Now 2 liters of mixture is removed. In 2 liters of mixture, 0.4 liters of water and 1.6 liters of milk is there. So we have removed 0.4 from x and we have removed 1.6 from 4x. That completed the first step. The second step is, we have to add 2 liters of water is poured inside. So we have to add to the numerator where the water is, that is x minus 0.4, we have to add 2. Then it becomes x plus 1.6. Now we have been told that this ratio is nothing but 13 by 12. So we just go ahead with x plus 1.6 by 4x minus 1.6 is 13 by 12. Little bit of cross multiplication and simplification. You will get x equal to 1 liter and the y, or basically milk quantity, is equal to 4 liters. So that's one interesting example I thought of sharing with you. Let's do one more interesting example. We have been given that a equal to square root of 2x plus 3y plus square root of 2x minus 3y divided by square root of 2x plus 3y minus of square root of 2x minus 3y. we have to show that 3y a square minus 4ax plus 3x equal to 0. So how to prove that? If you directly try to do that, it will be very cumbersome or it will be tough, but we can use componendo dividendo. We can make it simple. Now before going there, if you are not comfortable with componendo dividendo, it's very simple actually. We have a by b equal to c by d, then a plus b by a minus b is equal to c plus d by c minus d. Converting from the first form to the second form is applying componendo and dividendo. Actually componendo is adding 1 and dividendo is nothing but subtracting with 1, and you divide them. Do one thing, do a by b plus 1 divided by a by b minus 1, c by d plus 1 divided by c by d minus 1, you will get the same thing. So whenever you see some type of problems which are same thing with plus and minus, so it becomes very easy to solve them if you apply componendo dividendo on them. So let's go ahead and do that. Now only problem is we don't have in the denominator. Yes, we have 1 there. So we will apply componendo dividendo on this. We will get a plus 1 divided by a minus 1 equal to root of 2x plus 3y plus root of 2x minus 3y plus root of 2x plus 3y minus of root of 2x minus 3y. Similarly, in the denominator we will have root of 2x plus 3y plus root of 2x minus 3y. Then I have to do minus now, so this becomes minus of root of 2x plus 3y, then minus of minus is plus root of 2x minus 3y. Now let's do the cancellation part. When I do the cancellation part, I will have root 2x minus 3y in the numerator cancelling off, and in the denominator I will have root of 2x plus 3y cancelling off. The next step will be a plus 1 divided by a minus 1 is equal to 2 root 2 into root of 2x plus 3y divided by 2 into root 3y. We can cancel 2 and 2. We can write it as a plus 1 by a minus 1 is equal to root of 2x plus 3y divided by root of 2x minus 3y. We'll go to the next step. Now we will square it on both sides. Why we will do that? Because we have square roots here. We want to take out the square roots. Not only that, we see in the answer we have 3y into a square. That means a should be squared. So let us do that. What we will do now, we will square it up and we will say squaring on both sides. Can I say SOBS? Squaring on both sides. I will have a plus 1 whole square divided by a minus 1 whole square equal to 2x plus 3y. Because I am squaring it, the root will go off. You should be okay with that step. Divided by 2x minus 3y. Now let's do componendo dividendo again on this and see what happens. You will get a plus 1 whole square plus a minus 1 whole square divided by a plus 1 whole square minus a minus 1 whole square is equal to 2x plus 3y plus 2x minus 3y divided by 2x plus 3y minus 2x plus 3y. So the next step will be, we'll write down here, the next step will be a plus 1 whole square plus a minus 1 whole square is of the form a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square, which is nothing but 2 into a square plus b square. So can I say 2 into a square plus 1 divided by a plus b whole square minus of a minus b whole square is 4ab. So that is 4a equal to, when you add them 3y will cancel, when you subtract them 2x will cancel. So you have 4x divided by 6y. We can simplify that. We should get our answer If we simplify, 2 will go 2 times, 2 will go 2 times, 2 will go 3 times. When I do cross multiplication, I will have 4ax equal to 3y into a square plus 1. Or can I say 3a square y minus 4ax plus 3y equal to 0. So let's summarize this. We have been given that a equal to root of 2x plus 3y plus root of 2x minus 3y divided by root of plus 2x plus 3y minus of root of 2x minus 3y. We have to prove that 3y a square minus 4ax plus 3y equal to 0. Earlier there was x, actually it is y. That's a typo in the textbook, so don't worry about that. Okay, now what we did is basically we applied componendo dividendo. We got a plus 1 equal to b plus 1 by a minus 1 equal to square root of 2x plus 3y by square root of 2x minus 3y. Then we squared it on both sides. Then we applied again componendo dividendo. Again componendo dividendo we have applied on top of it. Then we got 2 into a square plus 1 by 4a is equal to 4x by 6y or 2x by 3y. When you do cross multiplication, you get 4ax equal to 3y into a square plus 1 or 3a square y plus 3y minus 4ax equal to 0. So I'll catch you again with some more interesting examples for competitive exams. Thanks for your time and support. Bye for now.